Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live TV as well as live sports app to your Fire Stick in 2025. Without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on downloader, and now that's the app which you need to get to your Fire Stick. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it up, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Sweden right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on my screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. And now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it, and now head straight into downloader. So we open up downloader, and now what we have to do in here is just open the code, enter the code, which will be 5717229. So once again, 5717229. Just enter the code which you see on my screen and do not make any mistakes. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And you might also have to verify that you are human by clicking on this little check mark right here. So verify, and now the download of the app should start, or the website will open. So yeah, the download has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install, and now finally it will be installed to your Fire TV. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. You'll open it, and here's the new app which we just got. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. Then feel free to open it. And now in here you get access to hundreds of channels from all over the world. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.